Look around. The education systems we've built, supposed to prepare us for the future, they're falling apart right in front of our eyes. Instead of connecting people across borders with shared knowledge, they're often cementing divides, locking entire generations into outdated ways of thinking. You feel it. It's frustrating as hell. The skills taught don't match the world that's already here, let alone the one charging at us. Founders, investors, leaders, all stuck fighting a slow, broken system that either rehashes tired ideologies or pumps out cookie-cutter workers, not creators or problem solvers. You see young people losing hunger, turning off because the system tells them what to believe, what to fear, not how to think or build. That's the real pain. This education system isn't made for us who want out of boxes, it's built for conformity and comfort. And we all pay the price. But here's the thing you rarely hear. Education can either unite us or tear us down even more. It all depends on whether it opens doors or just puts more walls up. The big mistake? Treating education like a one-size-fits-all factory line instead of a living, breathing network that connects different cultures, ideas, and talents in a way that pushes everyone forward. You want real change? Here's the hard truth. You have to take control and hack the education system from the inside out. Don't wait for schools to fix themselves. They won't. Start by creating spaces where diverse thinkers meet, where practical skills meet global challenges head-on, and where failure isn't punished but dissected and learned from. Bring people from different countries, disciplines, and mindsets into real projects that demand they build together, not just talk about theory. This isn't philanthropy, it's strategic. It's about linking minds that can actually move the needle worldwide. Stop wasting time on outdated curricula. Push for education models that are modular, flexible, and driven by results, not by tradition or politics. Invest in platforms and communities where mentorship replaces lectures, where real-world problems are the syllabus. Innovate where technology supports collaboration, not isolation. But most important, demand transparency and meritocracy in education funding and governance. No more favors based on nationality or status. Only the best ideas and efforts should get through, no matter where they come from. If you ignore this, you're letting the biggest opportunity slip. The world doesn't need more graduates who can only work for a corporation or government tied down by old borders and outdated rules. It needs creators who think globally, who can operate anywhere, who build across divides instead of fearing them. That means tearing down the nationalistic walls in education and rebuilding them as bridges. The future is in networks of people who choose their own path, who harness diversity as a weapon for innovation, not a reason for separation. So here's what you do starting now. Identify or create interdisciplinary hubs that bring in talent from different regions, break down language and cultural barriers with technology, and put global challenges front and center. Fund programs that teach problem-solving across borders and reward adaptability. Build coalitions of educators, entrepreneurs, investors, and leaders who care less about where you come from and more about what you create. Make education about fueling individual drive and global cooperation simultaneously. This is how you build something new, something real. Something that stops dividing and starts uniting. Don't wait for permission. Don't invest in the old system anymore. Use your influence, your capital, your network to plant seeds that grow beyond borders and outdated rules. The power is in connecting the right people with the right tools and challenges. This will ignite change faster than any policy or speech ever could. If you want the future, it's your move. And if you don't act, someone else will. Someone building an entirely different reality. Your choice is to help build a global education system that unites, or to watch it split us further apart. The system as it stands won't save you. You have to go out, break through, and build what should have existed yesterday, because the world will never wait, and neither should you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.